Hello. The next logo in line is the Adobe logo. We're going to be recreating this Adobe logo in this lesson. So let's get started. So basically, okay, we're gonna start with our shape tool because we have the box tool right here. By holding shift, then we get a. Another tool we are going to be using is the polygon tool. And we have the three. That's triangle. Good. And then I'm going to duplicate this. Then the next thing I would like to do is I'm going to duplicate this as well. Then looking at this triangle, of course, I'm going to. Then the next thing I would like to do right here is I want to add something like a trapezium or something around here. So what I'm going to do, what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to add my pen tool, or I'll make use of this so I can get this perfect line around here. Okay, then I'll draw it right here. So then I'll use my direct selection tool to make an adjustment and to make sure everything align with this. Good, this is what I wanted. So I think then this to here, and again this right here. So something of this nature, of course. So after getting something like this, basically I might want to make use of the pencil or something, but this is not too bad as well. Okay, so it's more or less like drawing a triangle going in that direction too. So the next thing I'm to zoom out to see if everything align. Now the best thing I can actually do, let me see if I can actually duplicate and see if I can make use of the pen tool while I come here. And that's my triangle, of course. My middle triangle right here. Just to make sure everything looks like this. So what I'm going to do is, of course, not so perfect, but of course we can get. So I'm going to make use of my pen tool to draw something around it. So I'm going to select the two. So I'm good to go with this. So I'm going to combine this. I'm going to group it, and this is what I needed. So I'm going to get rid of these. So another thing I needed now, since I've gotten, of course, something of this nature. So is this is okay for me, and I have my this. So I needed a rectangle too, and I'm gonna make this white color. But before then, I think this need an adjustment, something like this. So Then I'll use the divide tool to get rid of this. So what else? I have something here. Good. Then I'm done. I'm done with this too. So let me duplicate and combine this. So I'll use my merge tool. Can you see? That's it. So the next thing I'm going to do right away is I'm going to make this shift. So then I'm going to reduce the size of this. Let me make it white so I can see what I'm doing in detail. Of course. Then let me centralize this, align center. Good. Exactly what I wanted. And these two, I have to adjust it. This is what I wanted, of course. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right away is I'm going to place this and reduce. I'm going to reduce this and place it right here. Okay. So I'm going to minus fronts. Good. Then I'm done with this aspect. The next thing I will do is I'm going to place this right here and place it right below here. Good. So I want to adjust this to the middle, and this is it. So that's how to get the Adobe logo design logo, and that's it. So can you see? Then I'm going to group it, because then the next thing is just to type out the Adobe. That's how to get it done. So careful combination of shapes can actually make you achieve something like this. So I think I want to reduce this. Good. And this is it. So then you see for yourself, and that's it. See you in the next class. Thank you. Stay safe.